Hey there! For over a decade, cleaning experts has been the driving force behind seamless manufacturing unit setups and licensing procurement for medical device and IVD manufacturers across India. Our dedicated team specializes in providing tailoring solutions to meet your project's unique need with a wide range of services. Ensuring site compliance with the new Medical Device Rule 2017, empowering with knowledge to prepare manufacturing license dossiers for Class A, B, C and D medical devices, plus we cover preparation of essential documents like Site Master File, Device Master File and ISO 13485 certification guidances. Assessment to identify gaps and deficiencies in your dossier and providing targeted solutions for approval. Query response and follow-up for medical device and IVD licenses from CDSU, State FDA post-application filing. Guidance on suitable labs for testing of IVDs and tests required for medical devices. Conduct site visit to ensure adherence to new medical device regulations. And that is not all. We provide 360-degree regulatory solution package guiding you through every step of securing manufacturing license process.